Hi, this is Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2021 Mercedes-Benz GLB 250 4MATIC. This comes in a gray exterior with a black interior. Sunroof, blind spot assist, 4MATIC, Mercedes-Benz, and GLB 250 badging. Power opening and closing trunk. Rear seats. And a quick look up front. We have memory heated seats, the driver's seat controls here, driver door controls, driver's seat, steering wheel, mileage in this vehicle is 10,443, and we have a push button ignition. Mercedes-Benz radio and backup camera. Also have climate control right here. Our center console and shifter. Now, if you're interested in seeing any more photos or getting any more information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.